subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Oppo has launched its new 5G enabled smartphone under A series in China called Oppo A58. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A58 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A58 5G features a dual camera setup in a circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75 by 8mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the Oppo A58 5G smartphone. The Oppo A58 5G has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan. And the pricing details for the other storage options are yet to announce by the company. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from November 10th in Starry Black, Breeze Purple, and Sea Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A58 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.